Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix file system error code 2147219195 in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you have to go services, click on services. In this you search Windows License Manager Services. You can see here Windows License Manager Services. Right click on this, click on Properties, startup type, select here Automatic, click on Apply, click on OK. After doing this, close this window, open your Microsoft Store, then click on Library. In this you update Microsoft Photos. You can see here update, click on update. You can also update all, click on update all. After updating, hope your problem will be resolved. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.